In just 7 days, I went from broke to a millionaire. No investors, no magic, just hustle, timing, and one crazy idea after another. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Here's how it all went down. Day 1, the spark. Jordan, a 29-year-old tech-savvy hustler from Atlanta, hits rock bottom after a failed crypto startup. Flat broke but full of ideas, he hears about a government auction of surplus electronics laptops, phones, tablets in bulk. He uses his last $1,000 to win a lot worth $10,000 plus on a bet that he can flip it fast. He gets help from a friend with a warehouse and begins inspecting and categorizing the gear. Day 2, flip and fund. He lists the best items on eBay and Facebook Marketplace with same-day pickup and undercuts everyone. Overnight, he pulls in $6,500, reinvesting every dollar. He finds 2 other liquidators on Telegram who want a middleman for quick resales and they'll pay up front. He negotiates a 10% fee on every deal he brokers. Now he's in business. Day 3, viral arbitrage. While flipping gear, Jordan sees a TikTok trend. Rare, discontinued tech like vintage iPods and sealed Palm Pilots are going viral. He scours Facebook, OfferUp, Craigslist, and Reddit, buying low, flipping high to nostalgic collectors and tech YouTubers. He makes $15,000 in 1 day through this nostalgia arbitrage. Day 4, the digital gold rush. That night, Jordan meets a coder from his failed startup who's built a basic AI face swap app that can make deepfake-style celebrity shoutouts. It's glitchy but fun. They polish the UI overnight and launch it on Product Hunt and Reddit, branding it, Mimic Me, AI. $10 per generated clip. It goes viral. Influencers use it for parody content. They hit $75,000 in sales in 24 hours. Day 5, scaling chaos. The servers crash. Jordan negotiates with a cloud provider for emergency credits and promises press coverage in return. It works. They stabilize the app and introduce a $99 pro tier for bulk creators. YouTubers, meme pages, and brands start pouring in. Revenue hits $250,000 by midnight. Day 6, the power play. A media outlet picks up their story. Suddenly, 2 VCs call. But Jordan doesn't want to raise cash. Instead, he strikes a $500,000 licensing deal with an Asian media company for exclusive rights in their territory. He also sells the flipping side hustle and email list to a Shopify tech reseller for $100,000. Day 7, 1 million. Jordan wires his coder co-founder his share, pays the warehouse owner 5%, and sits back. After a week of caffeine, hacking, flipping, and risky bets, his account hits $1,032,843. He writes on Twitter, 7 days ago I was broke. Today I'm not. Don't chase money, chase leverage, timing, and speed. If this video really helps you, make sure you subscribe, like and share this video.